Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with Neflyon Wigs again, and I'm so excited today. I don't know why, but I'm here with Neflyon Wigs again. The usual packaging. They have their website listed on the front here. It says your beauty, your style, and it comes in this drawstring bag. Alright, and then when I open the bag, nothing is in the bag, just the box. Same information is on the box, same color box as always. Let's see what's inside. So I open the box and I'm seeing a wig. Okay, so today we're working with our bob wig, but before we jump into that, let's see what else is in the box. So we have a Santa hat. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't think you understand how much I love Christmas, so I'm like super appreciative of this right now. It's like a Santa face on the hat, and then it has two sides that come. Oh, this is so cute. Neflyon Wigs, thank you so much. This is so cute. Guys, I'm a sucker for Christmas. When people say, oh, I'm not in the Christmas spirit, I'm not in the Christmas vibes, I try my best. I feel it from within. Okay, what else is in the box? We got adjustable wig band. Oh, I like the way how they just package up everything. Usually I just get this in some generic plastic or something. They got a box and everything for it. So this is just really extra elastic band. I got one of these combs for your edges. Always coming. Oh my gosh, I got more of these clips. I love collecting these clips so much. They're way better than the regular clips, the regular long clips. They have the gritty sides and they just have a firmer and stronger hold. So I love these clips. And then I got a thank you like booklet in here, also showing like hair care and stuff. On the inside it has their social media information. So yeah, and then I have a wig cap. Lastly, it's always a pleasure to get packages like these, like always a pleasure. So super excited for that. This is a wig. It's a 13 by 6 HD lace front wig. It's 12 inches long. It's a straight bob. It's 150% in density, and it is a natural color. And I will be sure to put the direct link in my description box so you guys can check that out for yourself if you're interested in, you know, purchasing this wig, you know. And if I do have any available discount codes, you guys will definitely like get it down below. I list it. Oh my gosh, I can see the knots are definitely bleached. So yeah, so this is, it's like semi-closure, semi-frontal. Semi-closure, semi-frontal. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean. Like, it's not all the way. Okay, so usually, you know that there is a shortage on lace. I've told you guys this before. So I feel like they're getting super creative with how they're doing the lace construction, the lace front constructions. So they regard this as a lace front, which to me, it looks like semi-lace front with closure construction. Like, you see what I'm talking about? Like, you can see in the middle here is like a lace closure construction, but for the sides you still have space to work with as if it's a lace front, but it's more limited than the middle portion. As opposed to a full-on lace front, it would probably cut all the way across. I hope you guys understand what I mean. So you can see the area here where you can stick in your extra elastic band. There's extra combs on the inside on both sides there, and then you have one in the back. Construction looks really good. I love the feel of the hair already. Oh my gosh. So this is how it's looking. I'm sorry if the audio was a bit too loud in the beginning there. Kind of tried to adjust it a bit. I'm using a new microphone. A subscriber recommended a couple microphones that I could check out, and I actually got one of them. So shout out to them. I need to go ahead and see if I can find back that email, because the person took the time out of their day to email me and say, hey, here are some mics I feel like would really help out to make your audio sound better. And I actually got one of them. It's the Tax Star. It was a very inexpensive one, but it's a little bit more pricey than the usual ones that I use. But anyways, yeah, so shout out to that person. Oh my gosh, shout out to you. So yeah, the wig looks so good. I love the cut. It even comes with a little bump already, but I would go in and like do further, like, cause oh my gosh, it's a side part too. I love this. I can't wait to try this on. Like, it's nicely pre-plucked too. I don't think I even have to go in and do much more.
criticized myself for trusting lies. I know I can't hide, 'cause then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge.
The lace is a bit too long in the front, so I cut away some so that it wouldn't cover my eyes in the front. So I'm just gonna proceed to starting to like apply this, like cut away the sides, because there's a little bit, it's a little bit too long on the sides. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful bob. It is so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna start, you know, the whole application process.
Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love?
I want to definitely keep it in the side part. So okay, so the top here is a little like it needs to be laid, so I'm gonna have to lay it in sections.
High to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I am strong. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? I criticized myself for trusting lies. I know I can't hide, 'cause then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I'm enough. Just watch me tear them down.
Okay guys, so this is like super flowy. I love this. I love the blunt cut. I really love the blunt cut. I didn't do a lot of baby hairs on this. There's this flip over, you know, flip over look, which is so stunning. I love this hair. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to it down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself, this gorgeous bob, you can go ahead and do this. This is for all my people who want to tone it down a little bit and still look sleek and popping and just snatched. This wig is perfect for you. It's natural looking. It's just gorgeous, to be honest. It's really gorgeous. I love the cut. I love the cut. It's Definitely giving me more of a mature vibe though. You could like go ahead, do a center part if you wish. You could choose not to do the whole flip over look if you don't want to. There are so many different ways to style this. You could do the half up, half down look. You could flip it over. There's so much things that you could do with this wig. So I feel like it is really a winner. I love it. I'm going to put all the specifications as well down below. So you guys can just recheck that and all that stuff. Don't forget, Black Friday sale is going on. So go ahead, check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this wig today. I really love the feel of it. Super silky. I haven't received much shedding at all. Just a few strands, which is completely normal. If you guys like this bob, go ahead and give the video a thumb up. And don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE TV. If you're not yet subscribed to PETITE-SUE TV, what are you doing? Joke. But that's where I post all my vlogs, daily lifestyle stuff. So you don't want to miss out on that. Go ahead and subscribe to that channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your other video suggestions down below in the comment section. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.
I criticized myself for trusting lies. I know